Stop doing manual AR. I've built a system inside Google Sheets that runs your entire billing cycle on autopilot.
We've tried spreadsheets. They break, and they're full of typos. How is this different?
This isn't just a spreadsheet. It's a relational database. You select clients from a master list, and the system auto-fetches addresses and emails. Zero manual typing means zero human errors.
What about compliance? Interstate versus intrastate GST is a nightmare.
Handled. The system detects the place of supply automatically. If it's interstate, it charges IGST. If not, it splits CGST and SGST. The PDF is audit-ready instantly.
Great, but my team hates chasing payments. Who sends the follow-ups?
The robot does. The script checks due dates every hour. If an invoice is overdue, it sends a personalized email reminder with the PDF attached. It saves the file to a structured drive folder for your audit trail.
This isn't just about saving time, it's about securing revenue. It tracks cash flow, logs every action for audit, and ensures nothing slips through the cracks.
It's efficient, it's compliant, and it's free. Stop working like it's 2010. Click the link to get the system.